This conference will now be recorded.
We started with formula tab. We are done with text functions, mathematical functions, statistical functions, correct? Okay. Morgana Priya, you there? Morgana Priya, Meghana BA.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share your screen?
Ma'am, I told you that the Excel in my current laptop is not working, so I'm using my sister's laptop.
Okay. Saima Anjum. Mahalakshmi. You did not answer me yesterday also. Class, were we done with this? Okay. You're done with this? Replace, yes, substitute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take down this and try this. This is network days when we have 2 dates and some holidays. So this is to count the number of working days. Okay, so it counts the number of working days between the dates you have specified, and if there are some holidays in between, and then it will specify that there are these days holidays, and give you the number of working days excluding the holidays in the calendar. And then you have is dated function. Dated function, here you can see dated if in the 5th row. So dated if is where it shows you how many months you have. Same way we can also have number of years and days. Okay, so I will show you that by the time you just do network days. Try dated if also. Okay, class. If you're done with that, I'll give you the next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what is the difference between DateDiff, the function which you asked us to do now, the formula, and network
Mm-hmm.
days? Because we in one we get answer as 4 and in the other we get answer as 2. So what is the difference? Like, I do
See,
not understand.
network days is total number of working days.
Okay.
Okay. And DateDiff is total number of days.
Oh, okay. It counts holidays as well.
Correct. In network days.
Okay. And in date difference only the working days.
Number of months, number of working, number of days, number of months, number of years. That is what is the
Okay.
difference.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
I'll give you more on DateDiff, which I want you to try by yourself. 1 second.
Okay.
Take this class. So in the example only, you do the same example. What? 1 second. Okay. So in that you can see the example there. To the right you have example there. Months. So if you give D in colon, then I mean double inverted, then you get number of days. M in double inverted, then you get number of months. Y in inverted, you get number of years. Please try the same example, class. And this notes whatever you want, you'll be taking the points.
Ma'am, please can you repeat once?
If they are dates, if you want to know the number of days, then it will be D. If it is number of months, then M, number of years, then Y. So DateDiff is to find out what number of days, months, or years you want to know between the given dates. You have to give 2 dates.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, this DateDiff function is not available in my Excel. Like, it tried it, but then it was not seen.
In mine as well, ma'am.
Which version? 19?
16,
Yes, ma'am.
2016.
19, ma'am, mine is.
16. 16. I'm working in 16 only, dear.
It's
What
not
is it
available,
getting?
ma'am. There's
What is that
only
you're getting?
there's date value and date. Those are the only two things available.
No, how is that you're telling me it is not available?
I put in the function is equal to date.
Okay.
It only showed two
You're not
options, which
audible.
is date. Ma'am, it only showed two options, which was date.
Sorry, you were not audible in between. Can you please repeat the question?
Ma'am, I put in the function and it only showed two options, which was date value and date.
No, what I want to know is, did you put the function, applied the function there? It will not come in the list. Did you apply the question?
No, I didn't know that we had to apply the entire function.
No, you have to apply the entire function. There are many such functions which you do not get it in the list, but they are those functions.
Okay,
Now,
okay, ma'am.
next you get into if functions. There are a lot of nested if functions, but those things you not get in a list. Okay, it is
Okay, ma'am.
apply
Okay.
and see. If it
Okay,
does
ma'am.
not, then we'll take a solution for it.
Okay.
Yeah. Anu, Amma. Haksellaki pada matuka. So the dole sudla. Done class, DateDiff. Now next, see, this is also a DateDiff. But here in this function, if I have years and days, and but I want to know only the number of days. Okay. Now, for example, it is from 2005 to 2012. The number of years are 6 plus, but no, I want them in the consideration of only days. Days is what it excludes the years. It will include only 4 and 6. This is MMDDYY format. So it will include only 4 and 6. That is April to June. So that is 2 months. So 2 months from April 18th to June 23rd, how many days are there? So that is what this particular first. This is what the first formula says. The second one says when there is month and day. So year is not into conclusion here. This is here it is only where the days. So it should exclude year. It should exclude months and include only the days. That is between 18 to 23. How many days? Then you have is Y and M. Y and M is year and month. So you want to know how many, you want to exclude the years and you want to know how many months are there. So you exclude the years and you count only the months. That is what YD. So first letter will be which you want to exclude. And the second will be which you want to include. Same way, which is to be excluded, which is to be included. Which is Y is excluded here, that is years are excluded, days are put, month is excluded, days are taken, years are excluded, months are taken. Is this clear? Try with the same example you try, class. See, we did with simple data. There are little complicated data which I want you to try. You should know how to work with. Once done, put one class. We can go with the next function. Meghana, how is that you did so fast?
Ma'am, because I understood it fast.
Very
I think
good. Good girl.
yes,
You are
ma'am.
doing as I was explaining, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Try with large datas.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone done? You can go further. Next, this gives you the days of a week. Okay, that how many working weekdays you have in a week. So or how is that, whether it is a weekday or not. So that is how it says which weekday this particular function is. Okay, so Sunday, Monday to Saturday is the ways it is. So one will be Sunday and the 7th will be Saturday. So 12th December 16th was on Monday 2013. So that's what it has been showing. Next, you have text function. In text function, it gives you where the particular day, if you give, which day it was. So that is what the text function is showing. Put it all in one sheet, class. Take a photo and send it in the group. First 15 will get 3 marks. Good, Meghna. Class, you have taken on this. I can change the slide. I'm not able to work out since my laptop is under repair. That's okay. You'll submit all your assignment at once. Priyanka G. Okay. If you want notes on Networks Day class, you can take it. Ma'am, I'm using the friend's laptop since it is finished and I lost the data. That is why I'm not being able to submit. Okay. Once it is right, send me all the assignments at once. Can you pronounce your name?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's Verbena.
Verbena, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Namrata, when you see tomorrow your this, will you be able to understand which day, which function you have put, how you have used and all?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I don't mind. Yeah, okay. Then but I don't mind. Yeah, this is right, but for your understanding.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Class, you're doing? Okay. Okay, class. These was few date functions. I believe everyone was able to work with all these date functions. Any doubts? Anyone who was not able to work? Why is the class so silent today? I'll give you a test then.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, can you explain how work days are done again?
After I removed the slide, you got this doubt, is it? Work with it.
No, I
You show
tried
me.
before and I didn't get it, that's why.
There are many people who knows how that works because nobody has asked it out. So maybe Ankita guide Gopika how to do work days. Ankita.
Ma'am, Ankita is at the hospital.
Okay. See, work days is what it is only a particular. You're asking me about weekdays, correct?
Not
Or work
weekdays,
day?
ma'am. Work day is the last slide that you showed.
The work day. So the work day is completely opposite of network days. Means where in network days, what you will get number of working days. Correct. Here, what is I give a number here, not two dates. I give one particular number. For example, in that it was 10 days. Correct. That means in these 10 days, next 10 days date I want. I want the 10th day date. That is the next day of 10. That is 11th day date. If 11th day is a holiday, then it shows you the 9th day. Okay. 10 days further. If in between there are holidays, then it jumps the holidays and shows you the 10th day. 10 days. That is what work days means.
Okay.
you to do is I want you to put this data. Below are few questions. Okay, this is your first practical assignment. You'll create this in your worksheet, and then you have the following functions. What you want, what you should do, and how do you calculate each of them. So that is how you do. And here also it is there like what you should copy, and then they are also zoom and see, and then you have to copy only the format. You have to format the worksheet, put them in tables. So each one, put header, footers. So each one is being there here. All the questions you need to take down. So take down this class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can you send this in the group, ma'am?
Why?
It'll be more easier.
You cannot take a screenshot of this because I will send all this. I have too many assignments in this. So I'll be giving you now, then I cannot send you all together. At the end, no, you will have all these into records. But for now, just take a picture or do something.
Okay, ma'am.
The other notes, what I told you, that I will not be sending you. So that is why I told you to take down. The previous notes, other 2, 3 notes, I will send you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. You should start doing it now, class. By 8, you should send me all the assignments. Deepika? Maybe last 3 days means the basic of formulas you have missed. Okay, so just go through the recordings. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ping me.
Okay, ma'am. That is why I don't know anything. I'm like, I don't know anything, ma'am.
No, because I understand. Last 3 days means you're starting with formulas, you don't know how to put a formula. So first thing you have to do is you have to go through the previous 3 days recordings and then start with it.
Okay, ma'am. I'll see the recordings and get back to you.
Yeah.